guys. If you haven't seen the last video, you should really go check it out. I already started unboxing my first Bricklink Order, and today we'll be continuing on with this bad boy. So we have this guy. I'm cutting open with the famous butter knife. Let's pierce him open. Yeah. Yep, I definitely see something. Aha, yes. Yes, the good stuff. Ooh. So give me free bubble wrap. I do not know how to open this. Oh, I got it. Oh. So hard to open this. I think I got it out. Yes. So put this aside. The box too. The knife. Okay, now this sells from DD Bricks. So I forgot where his country is. Of the sea. So what's this? It says dear. Who? If there's anything missing or wrong, please contact us at info@ddbricks.com and we will do our best to resolve the problem. Okay? It says thank you for your purchase. What's that? Now first, so you didn't watch my last video. I was missing a drown, so I bought it here. And he looks pretty cool. He's basically like a water version of a zombie. Oop, he fell. And he's got a lot of fun putting on his torso and his head. And he's got his sand green colored skin, which I think is really cool. And his nose is like blue, and his eyes are just pure white. So yeah, not much to say about him. Set him aside. And then next, so actually, I needed a Lego skeleton. And the reason I got him is that he has this helmet piece, which I need to make a custom shulker design. Oops, he fell. And I will be giving you a tutorial on that. Not the next video, maybe another video. So yeah. Okay, now on to the more interesting figure. We got this dude. Now he is a charged creeper. And this guy cost $35. He ate up most of my bank account and it was really worth it. He wasn't missing and I really like this figure. He came in two sets, the mountain cave and the modern treehouse, which I really hate. So yeah, he is an electrocuted version of a creeper and has a lot of cheese slopes all around him and a new printed molded trans blue head. So yeah, the creeper. Okay, so these are the pieces I ordered from this seller. So these are white towels and a jumper. So some of them are really dirty. So I'll go clean that up after this video is finished. And then we have these, which are two 6x6 plates, which I'm going to be using in the next video. And then this is actually a rare cat face that was included in one set, the waterfall base, I think that's called. I had something very similar to this, but I was missing this. I don't know why I bought it. I'm probably going to use it in a build in the future, but hopefully this will come to good use. And that is it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. These are all the things I bought in this Bricklink order. And yeah, have a great day.